Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Debbie. Today I have two unboxings from Paint Gems, and I haven't purchased Paint Gems since I guess it was last November, and I am an affiliate with Paint Gem. There is a link below where you will receive a discount if you use that link, and it is never expected, but it's always appreciated. That's how I'm able to get additional items. But I put everything back in the channel. So I ordered the butterfly edition. These are both new that have recently come out. And then also I ordered the rainbow edition. And these have gotten kind of fancy. When I purchased it last, it did not have this on here. It just had the plain box and it said, paintgem.com on here, but it didn't say what it was. So I had to just, write it on there or use my label maker. And so this now has the name of both, which is really nice. And then what I really like is on the back, it gives you design 1 through 16. And so you can see what's in here. But on the butterfly edition, it tells you the name of the butterflies. So if I can keep these in order, which I probably won't, if I keep these in order or if I can look, I might figure out which is which. And so when I go to put this in my portfolio, I can use this and I'm able to put those in my portfolio with the name of the butterfly. So I think that is like super cool. They had others that have come out and I couldn't decide what I wanted. So went ahead, I love butterflies, and so I went ahead and got these two. And there are others that I am going to order, but I'm not going to do it now. I've got to get, I keep saying this, I have to get some done that's in my stash. And I do have quite a few paint gems to do. I think I'm going to put those on like a decision wheel and let the wheel decide which one I'm going to do next. I do have one kitted up, so I'll probably go ahead and do that one. Let me get this open. All right, so I have this open. I'm gonna pull everything out. Now, I usually don't keep this box, even though I might. Okay, let's look at the toolkit. I just have everything organized in a specific way, so I'll probably just keep it the way that I have it. I like this little bag. It's a nice little bag you can put things in, and it says Paint Gem on it. So we have a little squishy here, a pen. We have one of the plastic tweezers, and we have, it's like a 2-placer here, and I will use my own, but that comes with it as well. And then this small boat. And then they usually give you more than one wax, or maybe more wax in here. I think there's only one wax in here, but you get a heart wax, and make sure you take the plastic off, because if you don't, you will not be able to get any wax in your pen. Paint gems are a lot of fun because they are small. They take me, the last ones have taken me about 6.5 hours to do, and that's not very long at all. Sometimes I'll take these to work and throw them in my bag because they are so small, and I can work on them at lunch or if I have time in between classes. They also give you a color chart, and it has the stickers, which they didn't have that before either. So that's nice. And so you can just peel those, and then you can put those either on the baggies that they give you. What I do though, I don't use these baggies. I go ahead and I do kit mine up. And sometimes I will work on a butterfly, then I'll work on flowers. And so I have several that I have. And if I don't want to work on all butterflies, then I can switch it up and even work on the rainbow. So that's what I like to do. Okay, so here is, I have no idea what these names are. I'm not even going to try to pronounce them. This one's not bad. This one is a green bird wing. This one is I have no idea, papilla. That's really pretty. This box is annoying. Okay. This one is a zebra swallowtail. And then we have a monarch. That's really pretty. And I don't know what this is. Okay, there's this one. Can't pronounce it. This one is Vanessa something or other. I can't pronounce this one either. I don't know. Next one. I'll just show you these. It's probably easier than me trying to pronounce these. And who knows if these are in the order that it's supposed to be in. But these are really pretty. I absolutely just love butterflies. I love, this is my favorite. So far, this is my favorite. I'm not sure what this thing is called. Crimson something, something. But this is really pretty. And then we have this one. That's really pretty too. And then this one. And that one. If you have never used or purchased paint gems, again, it's really easy. If you want to get someone hooked on diamond painting or try to teach them, this is really good because this kit comes with everything that you need. And what you would do with these, I'm going to go ahead and open them. On the bags, they do, oh, there's going to be a lot of static. They do come in these baggies. So if you like to work out of baggies, then this is it shows you a 1 here. It also gives you the DMC number. That is not, there it goes. It also gives you the DMC number. So if you wanted to keep these later, put them in storage, you will know what DMC number that is. And then this is not numbered here, but it has the DMC numbers. So you have to go by DMC numbers. So you have to look for 3865, and that's a Z. And I don't know why companies do that. How come 3865 is not, I guess that's okay because it does go in order here, but like A is 3078, whereas T is 307. How come they wouldn't put A as 307? I don't know. That's just me. I don't know why they don't put it in DMC order. Like when they have a number 1, you would think that would be the first one or a number 1, and sometimes it's not. I've got a kit I'm working on right now, and number 1 is a 10. So I don't know. I don't get it. But anyway, I digress. But if you've never purchased these kits, they are a lot of fun. And you can take them with you on the go, and you can just work on them here and there. I do have a portfolio that I have put all of these in. It's a really small portfolio, and these fit in perfectly. And I will put that video up on the eye at the top right if you're interested in seeing how I do store these. And then the next one, I'm going to move all of this out of the way, try to keep everything in order. Okay, here is this one, and this is the Rainbow Edition. And a lot of creators are going to be doing something for the Pride event. And I really didn't have anything that I thought would be appropriate for a Pride event or really good for it. And I saw these and I thought maybe this will work. So we'll see. And I don't have to do all of them if I didn't want to. If I didn't have time, I should say. I'm going to move this out of the way. And my cat just knocked over a tray. She better not have broken it. Okay, the toolkit's going to have the exact same thing, so I'm not going to pull that toolkit out. And let's open these and see what we have. Okay, this is going to be the same thing. It has the gems color chart, and it has, like, you can pull this on the baggies if you want. Let me have these up. These are upside down. Okay, so here are these. And they even have the numbers on them. This is mini, I think it's 28 colors. Okay, so that's really cute. And I have a little princess here, like the little moon. Ice cream. It's like a little dinosaur on a cloud. And then here is says love on it. We have some flowers. That's really pretty. A mermaid. That's really cute. So far, that's my favorite. There's a heart here. Here's a bunny in a hat. A castle. This looks like a whale with balloons. A unicorn. How cute is that? We have the rainbow and the stars. More rainbows there. And then another unicorn that says magic. These are going to be really cute, and they'll definitely go in my portfolio. What do you guys think about the wheel idea? You think that's a good idea to put the ones that I have, because I have several, onto a decision wheel and let it tell me what I should do on Paint Gems? And I do take these, like I said, to work. I put them in my bag. I can just throw them in my bag. Well, you know, throw, relatively speaking. And then these are so small that they never get bent. I just put them in here. I grab the one that I want when I'm working, and then I can easily do it in between when I have classes, if I don't have any grading or anything to do. Or sometimes when this, I probably shouldn't say this, but sometimes when I have to go and proctor a test, and I'm just sitting there and there's a classroom of students for taking tests, they say we can bring something to do as long as we are watching the students. Guess what I bring? I don't take a book, because if I take a book, I will get engrossed in my book and completely forget where I am, and they'll just be doing whatever and I won't be paying attention. So a lot of times I'll just take one of these, and then I can look around, and I take a real small container of my drills, and then I'm all set. So it's really fun. And if you go out of town, this is a square. I think the other one's a square too. I didn't even bother to look. I'll have to look at that and see. But I'm just going to pull one of these out. This purple's really pretty. I think most of theirs are square, now that I think about it. Look how pretty that is. But I can see, look how staticky it is. I have been fighting static. It is every single company. So don't not buy these because you see static, because everything that I've done, it's static. Just absolutely crazy. I'm hoping that it will get better when the weather gets better. But I have found a couple of tricks that I've been using, and they have seemed to work. The static doesn't look too bad in some of these, but some they do. I do like the fact that on each one of these, it even says rainbow, and it says Mini 28. And if you go over to, where is it? If you go over to the Gems color chart, this also says Mini 28. And something else I just noticed that they're doing that they have not done before, they're actually numbering these. So when you look on the back, you'll know what they are. I just noticed that. Let me look at the butterflies. And the butterflies are also, is that square or round? These are also square. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, I love this. Okay. The little things, guys, the little things. Okay, this one's called Mini 24, but on these, they are numbered over here. It's a number 1. And so the others are just, they're all numbered. So then I can go to the back of this, and I make sure I keep this, and I can just count and see which one that is if I get them out of order, because I probably will. I just kind of, when I'm at work and I decide to do one, I just kind of pick and choose, or sometimes I'll just put them on the table or drop them and grab one, and whichever one comes up, that's the one that I do, so I don't have to think about it. But that will be really cool. So I'm definitely going to keep this in with my box. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to put both of these over here so you can see the rainbow edition. I really like how they're doing this now. They have another one that I should have gotten and I didn't. And they're actually two of the creators are doing one a week. And I know that Sparkling Spectronite, Hannah, she's one of them. And I am so sorry, I cannot remember who the second one is. But they are doing the mini edition of Women for History Month. and I really wish I would have gotten those, and I don't know why. I just didn't even think about it, but they look really, really nice. So you may want to head over to Hannah's channel. I'll put that below, and I'll find out who else is doing that with her. I saw it on Instagram, and I thought that's really cool. That's a great, great idea. And I should have written down the other person, and I do apologize for that, but that will be in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I am getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and once I do, I have a giveaway. I am just so blessed to have so many subscribers already. I thought it would take me a long time to get where I am, and so I am just so pleased that my channel is doing so well, and I thank every single one of you every single day. Thanks so much again, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.